Hello, this is Briar Oliver, and this is my Windows Server Project 4. So the first step was to create two OUs. So I'm just going to go into Tools, Active Directory, Users and Computers. Let that boot up here real quick on my taskbar. So here's my first OU that I created. Let me expand that real quick. There's my first one, and there's my second one. I just named them OU1 and OU2 just to keep it basic. And then we're supposed to create two groups. So here is my first group and my first OU. Just named a project 4 group. And then my project 4 number 2 group for my OU number 2 is right there. And then we're supposed to create two users. So I'll go back to this one. There's my first user and my first OU. And there's my second user and my second OU. And then we are creating a group policy that forces users to create strong passwords. Let me go into Tools, Group Policy Management, go into my default domain policy. It'll work. Edit. Go into Policies, Windows Settings, Security Settings. Put that up a little bit. Let me go. I'm trying to find the password settings. Let me go back out real quick. There we go. So I changed some settings on the policy management for the password. I did the enforce password history to only remember 5 passwords instead of 42, I think it was. Minimum password age 90 days. Maximum password age 90 days. Minimum password age is a day. I lengthened the minimum password length from 8 characters to 14. Minimum password length audit is not defined. The password must meet complexity requirements are enabled, and the store passwords using reversible encryption is disabled. And that is my project 4 video.